Hey friends, so today's video is a bathroom extreme clean with me cleaning motivation video. I am so excited to be sharing it with y'all. However, it's very real. Like, recording myself was really, not recording it, but editing myself in this video was kind of hard. I'll explain more why throughout the video, and then also just fitting everything in so that I could actually record it. Apparently our bathroom is really, I knew it was funny shaped, but it's like super awkward shaped to be filming. So next time I'll do it with a GoPro. But yeah, comment down below, let me know what you think. I would love your words of encouragement. If you want to, give me a big thumbs up and let's go ahead and get started. Today we are cleaning my master bathroom. I guess I didn't say that in the intro talk. I was so excited to film this video, but then the act of filming this video was so frustrating just because I couldn't get the angles, I couldn't get everything in shot. So I felt like I was doing a bad job of filming, and then that made me feel like I was doing a bad job of cleaning. Do you guys ever snowball like that? It's rough. But I did want to start off by sharing that I am wearing a top from a shop called Thread Tank. They're not sponsoring this video or anything, but I was so excited to get an email from them offering to send me some shirts. What they wanted was for me to do an unboxing at the beginning of a video, but since mostly I do cleaning videos, I was like, well, how about I wear it and then let everyone know where I got it. So it's ThredUp. I'll put it on the screen. They had so many choices. It was so overwhelming. I love their shirts. I'd never heard of them before, so it's not like I'm not getting anything in return for doing this, except for I did get these two shirts that I love. So this one says kindness matters, and then the other one I'll show y'all in a cleaning video in a couple weeks. But comment down below if you guys have ever heard of Thread Tank. But I love it. I'm always looking for cute graphic tees, and this one, so I ordered a 2X and it fit pretty good. I felt like it looked a lot cuter than it looks to me watching my video back, but I think that's just because I'm so used to hiding in my clothes, and this shirt fit well enough to where I didn't feel like I needed to hide, although I kind of wish I was wearing a cardigan, I'm not gonna lie. But I thought this shirt was super cute. It was a little out of the ordinary for me on what I wear regularly. It's always hard for me to find cute graphic tees, especially being short and round. But I love the cute tops that I got, and I think Christmas presents this year are gonna come from there because they have some really awesome shirts. Like I said, I'm not getting anything in return. If you guys would like to check out their shirts and maybe order one, there is a coupon code down below, but that does not have anything, I do not get anything for you guys using that link. So I would love for you guys to go visit if you're interested in graphic tees. If not, then no skin off my back. But while we're talking about it, do any of you, I know not everyone that watches my cleaning videos is on a weight loss journey, but do you ever watch yourself, and even if you don't do even if you don't do YouTube and you just see pictures of yourself, do you ever just get the idea that I have of myself in my head is so different than what I look like? And since I've been doing YouTube, I feel like it's been very liberating and freeing because I've kind of come to terms, I guess, with the way I look as opposed to what I think I look like, and it's kind of balanced. And then I did this video, and lately, it's not just this video, it's the past several videos, there's a few things that I'm pretty insecure about that are new. I don't know. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm asking. But I've been talking for most of this video about not cleaning things. So I'm going to let you guys listen to some music, and hopefully you're cleaning with me and enjoying, and I am grateful for you being here with me while I clean. Doing these cleaning videos totally helps me to find the motivation even when I don't want to clean. It's really weird, but I love it. So anyway, here you go. Here's some tunes.
Swim through the shadows and find every inch of you. I wanna dance under covers and do what lovers do.
Okay guys, so this is our very awkward bathroom. It feels really big, but now after cleaning it, I'm convinced it's because of these high ceilings. Okay guys, so now that I put our bathroom stuff back in here, I thought I would go over what all I have in here. I always use, let's see, it will focus. I always use Redken All Soft, always, unless I run out and it's not on sale, because I also don't buy it on full price. If it's not on sale, then I buy this right here, the Tea Tree Mint, whatever that brand is. I can't remember. I mean, it says it on there, but they sell it at Target, at Walmart. They sell it at all the stores. So if this has been on sale, which is quite expensive, I'll buy that. But this stuff will last me a good 6 months or so. So usually I just hit up the Ulta sales. Then body wash I switch out, but I've been on that body wash since before the hubs left, so I like it. I just got it at Home Goods, not Home Goods, but TJ Maxx. And then occasionally I will wash my face in the shower, and I always use this Aveeno Positively Radiant. A couple weird things I use, I mean it's not weird, but it's not common I guess, is that shaving cream. I'm not going to say the name of it because you guys can see it. That shaving cream is amazing. It cuts down the amount of time, the amount of time to shave my legs. It also cuts down on how often I need to shave my legs. And then that is just a Body Dew oil mixture. So it's like a body oil that I put on. So I'm just gonna stick this here. But yeah, I don't use the little things that go up like the shelves or whatever. I just feel like this looks cleaner and it's more efficient for us. So, and then I don't like not being able to see out of the shower, so we literally just use the liner. Maybe not the prettiest thing in the entire world, but I like being able to see out of it when I'm in the shower. So there's that. And then this right here is, and apparently my feet were dirty. This right here is the rug set that I got from Amazon, and apparently I need to vacuum it now. So great. Anyway, I love this set, and I'll show you all the other areas. So the little electric toothbrush that I use is from Amazon. The little toothbrush holder, I think my mom got it from Walmart, but my mom gave me that set. And then I use the Elizabeth Arden Dry Skin Face Wash since I've lived here. Before here, I always used the same, the Aveeno, it was Aveeno or Biore or something, face wash. So that's newer since we lived here. Dial soap, the little hand towels that I use throughout the house are generally from Target. I just like their hand towels the best. So like upstairs and stuff. And then these little flowers are all from the dollar store. And this was thrifted. I'm actually thinking about potentially painting it the next place we live. I just can't commit. And this just was an accident. I wasn't intending to have this here, but here it lives.
Alrighty, well that wraps up this little video. I got so stressed out filming this video, editing this video. I am just like, I love that I wore that shirt, Kindness Matters, the Kindness Matters t-shirt. Because looking at myself in the t-shirt in this awkwardly shaped bathroom, moving around with dog hair all over my butt, like, I definitely need to work on being kinder to myself. So kindness matters, even being kind to yourself. If you enjoy watching my Clean With Me videos, or if you'd like watching weight loss journey videos or my life as a military wife, I would love it if you would join my little channel by clicking that subscribe button. And I hope to see you guys really soon, like maybe tomorrow or the next day, Wednesday, or whatever day when you're watching this. I am so grateful for you, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Talk to you later.